Samantha, 95% of scissors are never the same after the first sharpening. Never pay cash when you buy a scissor, and especially when you get them sharpened. Always have your new scissors sharpened by the original vendors or sharpeners. This way, if they don't come back pristine and 100%, you can just get a charge back. Call your credit card company and let the vendors and the sharpeners deal with the mess, because they knowingly did messed up your shear. Anyone knows when you give them a pristine scissor, they know what they're handing back, especially when they're far from pristine. So just take care of them when you get them back. Consider them like new, okay? Always compare your sharpened scissors to the edges on a new shear, especially when they've never been sharpened before. They should just look identical.